Hello, in this video I will show you how to sign out from YouTube TV. Now, for doing this you can use any device, your phone, TV, computer or even a tablet. Just simply open YouTube application on your respective platform. Then, just simply click on your profile, and it will depend on which device you are using. Just simply click on your profile, it might be on the top right, bottom right or top left or bottom left. Now, just simply find your profile icon. And then, once you open your profile icon, you'll find the option of Google account. Just simply open that option. Then you will have a list of email addresses that are linked with your YouTube. Now, just simply choose the correct Google account where your TV is also linked. After that, you will be redirected to the Google account page, and over here, you have to choose the security option. Now, all you have to do is scroll down till the very bottom, and you will have an option of manage all devices. Now, just simply click on that option. And right over here, you will find all the devices that your Google account is connected with, including your TV. So, all you have to do is, you have to just simply choose the option where it is showing you a TV. So, if you look closely, it will show you a phone option, a Windows option, a Mac option, and another phone option. So, over here in this panel, it will also show you the TV option. In that option, what you have to do is just simply click on it, just like that. Now, once you're on that page, you will have an option of sign out. Just simply click on that option, and then you will be able to sign out from the YouTube application on TV. So, that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.